Greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tapiwa Gwazi, and today I will be delivering a speech. The topic is acceptance, in brackets, albinism. I have a dream, different from other dreams, and some say it is only a dream. I have a dream, a vision where all nations may live together in peace and in unity. That all people, black, white, cream, or purple, can live together in peace and in harmony. The world, such a beautiful place, created for all those who live in it, to love and cherish it. They kill them, they slaughter them, but why? What is an albino? An albino is a person born with very pale skin, with fair or hair and pink eyes, the dictionary says. But I say, an albino is a person too. An albino is a person that lives, a person with feelings like you and me, a person with traditions, cultures, and roots, a person that has veins that run deep in their bodies, and blood that gushes through those veins. I have a dream, whereby albinos can walk the streets freely, whereby they can do whatever they want without being criticized or hurt or judged. I have a dream, whereby a person can be comfortable in their own skin, where no one will judge or kill you because of the color of your skin. Stop killing them because of the color of their skin. Stop torturing them because of the color of their skin. Killed for money, slaughtered for body parts, hunted like animals, and put to shame like dogs. Albinos are people too. They laugh, they cry, like you and me. They also have feelings. They also feel hurt, like you and me. They slaughter them, but why? Why does one kill? Because of the color of their skin? They slaughter them, they kill them, they put them to shame. They put them all through that because of the color of their skin. Your own flesh and blood, from the same country, from the same mother, but you kill them because of the color of their skin. My dream is for them to walk freely on the streets. It's for them to be comfortable in their own skin and not fear to do something because they have a different color from you. Acceptance. Please accept them as they are. Do not hurt them. Do not judge them. Do not criticize them because of the color of their skin. There is nothing they can do about it. Now I say, thank you to all those brothers and sisters who protected their siblings, schoolmates, friends from all the killing, judging, and all the hurt. I say, thank you to all the grandparents that took care of their grandsons or daughters when their mothers and fathers abandoned them. I say, thank you to all those mothers and fathers who are courageous enough to take care of their children who are born with albinism. I know that raising a child with albinism in this era, in this century, is hard because there is always someone out there looking to hurt them, looking to steal them, looking to use their flesh for immunity. I say, thank you for not abandoning them. Thank you for finding the strength and the courage to take care of them. An albino is a person too. I say, thank you to all those uncles and aunts who did not distance themselves from their nephews and their nieces who are born with albinism. Albinism is real, and the killing of them is also real. I say, thank you to all those families who are able to keep their children who suffer with albinism safe. Thank you.